Tim Bartz here at the Chicago Auto Show again for another video, and I want to go to, I did a walk around on this in Detroit, but I want to do it again because now we can finally order, or should be here real soon, the Tremor trim. It has not been available as part of Job 1 for 2024 model year, but we have heard as part of Job 2, the Tremor will be available and we'll be able to order that. Order guide should come out soon here in the next week or two to where we can go ahead and order the Tremor, as well as the Pro Access Tailgate, which is on this. So we'll highlight that as well. And what I like about the Tremor for 2024 model year is you can get the heavy duty front bumper here, modular front bumper, I should say. So you can put accessories like this Warren winch on there, which Ford Performance likes to use, and a pretty cool winch on the front of it. So this makes it a completely off-road capable vehicle. I think, you know, the Tremor is kind of a hidden gem, I think. It's a vehicle that a lot of people don't always look at. They want to look at the Raptor, but I think this is a great trim and great way. We're going to be ordering a lot of Tremors and putting superchargers in them, order them as 5.0s and putting superchargers and making them our Tremor R package. So be looking for that as well. We will get some of those in stock too. So we're really excited for the order banks to open up for Job 2 here real soon. Coming on around. Of course, also you'll notice they kind of get the running boards like the Raptor does. Again, kind of bringing in the Raptor DNA here into the Tremor, and I think it's again a lot of people don't talk about it, and I think, you know, if you're looking for an off-road, maybe want to save some money from going Raptor, Tremor is maybe something you need to look at. So now let's not forget about the interior in here. So the Tremor has really cool interior as well. You'll see a lot of black leather in here, as well as I love the orange accents. So on the Tremor you always see those orange accents. Looks really cool on this, and then of course the Tremor embroidering on the back rest, just like you see on all the other Tremors for all the other models. Looks great. Of course in here you'll also get the big 12-inch touchscreen and everything. I think this is a 402A equipment group, so it's, in a sense, I always look at a 402A on a Tremor, kind of like Lariat style equipment on this. So it kind of takes that Lariat, you know, equipment that you'd expect from that, and then give you all the off-road capabilities of the Tremor. Of course, you know, I didn't mention it earlier, but on the Tremor, not only some of the accents we talked about, but also it does have the nice upgraded suspension. So you're talking off-road upgraded suspension, shocks and springs on this to be able to do some serious off-roading. You'll get trail control as well that goes along with this. Now the Pro Access Tailgate here, it does function like a normal tailgate, so it goes up and down, and this is 402A equipment on this one, so it does not only power tailgate down, but also power tailgate up. Now with this Pro Access Tailgate, you will not have the tailgate step in there, so you will lose that, but does give you the functionality to not only go up and down like that, but also we can open it, and it stops at several spots. So if you have a trailer connected and maybe you have something right there and you can only go to here, you can still access the truck this way, or you can go a little bit wider, right? It stops there, and then of course it stops clear back there too. So it allows you to access into the tailgate if you have something connected and that kind of thing. This one actually has the step 2. So I think you just push on it. Yeah, push on it, and that step's there, so it helps you get inside as well. So I'm not sure if the step is going to be included, but it may be optional, but you might want to add that if you want to make it easier to get in. But I love all the functionalities. And then looking inside the bed, we talked about this in Detroit, but you're learning from the Maverick of how to make the F-150 more capable and functional for you in the back. They've got the flex bed on the Maverick. You're going to see similar things like that bed divider here that you can put in there, and several slots in the cab, the wheel well, so you can put like 2x4s in there, 2x6s, and divide out and section this out. So this is great. Like, some people looked at it, they says, hey, this F-150 can be just almost like a regular SUV. Put a bed cover on like they have here. You can open this up, and now it's kind of like a trunk, right? You have access to some things because you can put this bed divider in here. Now it kind of almost functions as a trunk for you with a bed cover on it. So something to think about there as well when you're getting an F-150. But there you go. There is a video on the Tremor. And a couple things. Pro Access Tailgate, that is going to be available in the bed utility package on the Lariat trim, as well as the Tremor. I don't know yet because Tremor's not out. We don't know if it's going to be standard on the Tremor 402A or if it's part of the bed utility package, but we'll get to that information in a separate video. Also, it's going to be standard on King Ranch and Platinum as well. Not available on XL or XLT, so I want to make sure everybody knows about the availability on the Pro Access Tailgate. Again, check out videos like this one and many more from the Chicago Auto Show on our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, notification bell is turned on, and until the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you later.